How to export a video from GoPro Quik. First of all, open the GoPro Quik app on your device to get started. Next, navigate to the Studio tab located at the bottom of the screen and select the video or project you want to export from your media library. Once the video is open, tap on the share icon usually found at the top right corner of the screen. From the options that appear, select Save to Phone option to begin the export process. You can choose the desired video quality or resolution if the app provides these options. Wait for the export process to complete. Depending on your video length and quality settings, this might take a few moments. Once the export is finished, the video will be saved to your device gallery or camera roll, ready to share or upload whenever you want. Now you know how to export a video from GoPro Quik easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.